Good morning, friends. We have always seen that we have to remain in contact with different type of peoples. So when we contact different type of persons, we have to talk or communicate in English. Or when we are going to office, we have to write English in a proper way. So how to talk English properly and how to write English properly, we should know the English language properly. When we want to make a building, the construction should be proper. In the same way, while communicating, while writing in English language, the structuring of the language related words should be proper. So what we should learn primarily in English language, with the help of which we can speak and write correct English. So here I would suggest that we should know first the correct spellings of each word. Second, we should know a little bit grammar. Now you may ask, in grammar what we should learn? In grammar we should know the tense. Tense, present tense, past tense, future tense, and how the verbs are used in the tense. So that is very easy to understand and learn and use in our day-to-day life. In tense, we are using verbs. Verb is a type of actions. When we talk, when we do something. So these are the actions. So what the person does, it is said in the verb. For example, he goes to market. We have used the verb goes. In the same way, similar type of other activities we will do. In that we have to use the verb. So we should know few verbs which we are using in our daily life. So today I will give you some verbs so that you can write down and make some 50 verbs. So in the verb you can say, I am looking at you. Look is a verb. Showing, show is the verb. Going, go is the verb. Jumping, jump is the verb. Dancing, dance is the verb. Teaching, teach is the verb. The same way, you may make 50 verbs. And in the next class, we will learn the tense in present, past, future. In present, there are 4 types of tenses. Present simple, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous. In the same way, in past also, past simple, past continuous, past perfect continuous. In the same way, in future tense also, future simple, future continuous, future perfect continuous. So More about this we will learn in our next session. Thank you very much.